Okay. Okay. Who's the author of the book Harry Potter and the Fallopian Stone?
Hey, what man? Don't laugh.
Remove this part.
The Philosopher's Stone.
Philosopher's Stone, yeah?
Yeah.
Philosopher's Stone, yeah.
Honestly speaking, it's a woman, if I'm not wrong. I know the movie, but I don't know, honestly.
The initials nje the name.
J.R.
Hi!
J.R. Bani. J.R. Oh. Go to Chaino Arubakon. Whippy. Yeah. No. I think no. There's J.R. I don't know J.R. Rawlings or what, but either it's the Ologle movie Harry Potter, either he's the what exactly? Yeah, mari enye izinto ezenza be movies bekhona, enye abantu enza be movies bekhona. But I think yeah. I don't know, but somewhere there. But it's
Okay.
corner somewhere around this Harry Potter thing, I think.
Okay, so your answer is
JR something.
No, we're not closing no show. We are not closing. We are not closing no show. We are not closing no show.
JR something. Eish. Okay, ngoba ke the rules of the thing. This straightforward. You have to give us the whole thing. Okay. So it's a whippy.
No, tell me who it is.
It's a whippy kodwa ke because you didn't say the whole thing.
But then you said let me try the initials.
Okay.
I try.
Okay. It's J.K. Rowling's.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
And which is
Rawlings right. I got Rawlings right. I got it right.
I asked you for the last